Head Yeager, Fort Myers, Florida. It's a 1930 Chevrolet coupe. It was a Barnfind, and it was originally all rolling chassis. Had the fenders and the hood and everything on it, and this is what we kept. It's all a metal car. It was built by a local guy here in Portland, Tennessee, Jason Graham. I started it, and we brought it up to him, and then we got to a certain point, and he wanted to put his touch on it. Kind of took it slow and a little bit at a time. I was in Florida, and the car was up here in Tennessee. I'd bring parts up every 5 or 6 months. We got it done in about 18 months. It ended up just the way I wanted it. Satin maroon. And on the interior, we went with this gloss for the dash. Dash is out of a 51 Chevy, 454 with a 67 Corvette 427 3.2s. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission and 411 gears. Oh, it's fun. It likes 80 mile an hour on the interstate. Yeah, it's got 3 of the original Holley from a 67. They got the numbers on them and everything. I've had to purchase some multiple parts from Holley for them. Starts and runs and idles in traffic good. Been to Daytona multiple times, Louisville twice, been to multiple shows in Florida. We drive it, have a good time with it. We put on a trailer to bring it up here. My wife came with me. Come by myself, I would have drove it, and it would have been just fine. It would have just been a long 2 days, loud 2 days. Speed bumps, you have to really take it slow and at an angle. If you get on bumpy road, you know you're on a bumpy road. But if it's on a good, smooth road, it does real well. Just a super fun car to drive. And I'm kind of a big block kind of guy. I got a 70 Chevelle that I've had, super sport. It's got a big block in it, so I'm familiar with them. You know, this is my first 3.2 setup, so I appreciate you guys picking my car. That's pretty cool.